If you were a viewer to my channel last year, you would have seen where I created this ornament garland. Now, ornament garlands, everybody's making them, right? Well, usually they just string them along using their caps with twine or other things. Mine is different because I decided to thread all of mine straight through using fishing line. And if you'd like to see that video, I'll put it right up here. But wait until this one's over before you go watch that. And I'll also put a link to it in the description box down below. But I did create this, and I really like it, and I still use this quite a bit. However, for 2023, I have come up with an ornament garland that I'm calling the Ornament Garland 2.0. Let's get started. And there you have it, this beautiful ornament garland that's poseable. You can bend and shape this to your heart's desire. You can use it as I have here amongst your other holiday decor. Imagine taking this poseable garland and twisting and bending it around your tiered trays. That would just add another level of excitement to the tiered trays you already decorate. I know that if you take the time to make this beautiful garland, you're going to love it as much as I do. For more great information on how to style your home, check out these previous episodes shown here. Remember to like, comment, and share on these videos, and to make sure you see the next new episode, hit the subscription button and the notification bell, and you will be good to go. As always, bye for now.